This is update number 8. Yesterday I didn't make a video at the end of the day, but I ground the seam down. This area was a little low, so I put some filler there. I'll sand that down, smooth it out. Otherwise it's pretty good. Yesterday I went around and epoxied all of these bunk and bulkhead pieces in, and let that dry overnight. I still have some here, you can see, and I put a fresh piece in the back here. I had to, you can see these two screws there, right? Just wasn't level to this other board, so I had to kind of level it up with these screws. Those are holding it in place. Didn't really have time to do that last night, so I did that first thing this morning, and that's drying. I'll pop them screws out and go over with glass like the rest of this. I've gone around the bulkheads here, and I left a piece here, again because it's wet up the top. All this is dry here. I put glass here, glass on the inside of this bulkhead. What else have I done? I think that's about it. Once this glass is on, I can go ahead and kind of skim coat it with a little bit of filler so it doesn't have as much of an edge, and then just start gel coating. I'm going to gel coat inside the entire cabin, and then out here in the cockpit, all this is already sanded down, and then I could plastic this whole thing off, seal it up, and move to spraying up top, the top deck here. And by that time I'll be all done with any of this little stuff. There's still a little bit of hand sanding to do besides these winches and that kind of thing. A little bit of hand sanding here and there, and I think that's about it. Other than that, I'm ready to prime this once this is all set. Pretty good timing once this is all closed up, I mean. I did start sanding the hull a little bit. You can't really see that, but I had some time, again drying time, so I kind of moved down, started sanding the hull a little. That should go pretty quick. And oh yeah, did this yesterday too, ground this out. Customer got the coring in there, and I threw a little bit of epoxy around the edge so the glass will lay in there smoothly. Matter of fact, I gotta cut that up, get that on there. Next, I think would be my next go-to, and get all this glass out of the way. So I did kind of forget about that. What else? That's about it. Close, finish up that front part in the deck there, and finish glassing those. That's about it for the top sides. Fair those out, yada yada. Then it's all ready for gel coat and primer. May even have the hull sanded out where I can start primering that at the same time. We'll see. Otherwise, moving along pretty good, I think, here. I think is what? This is the second week, I think, is what's going on. Yeah, kind of blurs together after a while, but yeah, this is the second week. I had planned on putting primer Monday. It's what, Friday today? Yeah, Thursday, Friday. I don't even know. Yeah, Friday, the 30th.